7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred.
Hi guys, I'm Sevohnalexis. Oh my god, he literally just started vacuuming as soon as I started talking. Ignore the vacuum. I'm Sevohnalexis and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get this look. It is a purple cut crease with a neutral lid. I really enjoyed making it. I literally just winged it and did it, and it actually turned out good, which is surprising because I just learned how to do a cut crease. If you didn't see that video, I will link it down below so you can go watch me do a cut crease for the very first time. And look, now I'm a pro. See, it's that easy, really. The beauty gurus were right. It is easy. In this tutorial, I only do my eye makeup, so if you want to see me do the rest of my face, then you can go over to my Instagram, which will be right there, and watch the tutorial of me doing my face makeup. Yeah, so that's it. So let's get into the video. Woo! Okay, so first I'm just putting a transition color all over my lid and into my crease. I'm taking this orangey color and putting it into my crease just to help the colors blend out more. I'm going to take a more defined brush and put a little bit of a dark purpley pink color and put that into my crease. Then I'm going to take my darkest shade and really start to define my crease and cut it a little bit. And then basically I'm just going to blend for a really long time and keep building up the color until it is as dark as I'd like it to be. Then I realized that I have this eyebrow hair sticking down, so I had to pluck it. Okay, so now I'm just going back in with my blending brush and putting that first color that I used all over the edges of my crease just so there's no harsh lines. Now I'm going to cut my crease. I'm just taking my Maybelline concealer and cutting my crease with that with this little tiny BH Cosmetics brush. Now I'm letting it dry.
But they also are very cute, so this is definitely like a clubbing option, not for walking around in.
And now I'm going to take this pale yellow shade. It's just from a Morphe palette, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid to set my concealer and to act as my base color. If you can see, there's a little spot where I messed up on the concealer, so I'm just taking this flat, fluffy brush and putting it in my crease. Now time for liner. I'm just using the eyeliner I always use by Essence and doing a winged liner. Then I'm just prepping my eyelashes for fake eyelashes by putting on mascara.